Opening welcome. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone present here. Respected principal, honorable teachers, and dear fellow students, I welcome you all to the grand celebration of Pakistan's 78th Independence Day. Quran recitation. Let us begin our program with the words of Allah Almighty. I would like to invite students' name to recite verses from the Holy Quran. Translation of Tilawat. Thank you. Now students' name will present the English translation of the verses just recited. After praising Allah, it is compulsory for every Muslim to praise the last Prophet Muhammad. I now invite students' name to present a beautiful knot. National Anthem. Now I request everyone to please stand up respectfully for the National Anthem of Pakistan. Speech 1 Junior Student. Our first speech will be presented by student's name, who will share thoughts on the importance of independence. Patriotic song, Milli Nakma. That was inspiring. Now let's enjoy a solo patriotic song presented by student's name. Speech to senior student. Now, I call upon student's name to deliver a powerful speech on the sacrifices made for our beloved homeland. Poem, Azadi Poetry. Poetry has always been the heart of Independence Day celebrations. Let's welcome student's name to present a patriotic poem. Segment. Let's have a quick Independence Day quiz. I'll ask a few questions about Pakistan's history, and the students who answer correctly will receive a big round of applause. Principal's speech. Now I request our respected principal name to share a few words of guidance and patriotism with us. Closing and Pakistan Zindabad. With this, we conclude our program. Let's promise to protect